Hello, my name is Mindy Taylor. I'm an accredited genealogist in the England region, and in this short video, I will be covering what you need to know about the oral review and professional ethics as they pertain to the AG credential through the International Commission for the Accreditation of Professional Genealogists. The oral review is an interview where AG professionals in your region of interest will ask questions to determine your overall readiness for accreditation. The oral review provides the applicant with the opportunity to demonstrate the full breadth of their knowledge and abilities. It is also a chance for the candidate to demonstrate their oral communication skills, to explain what they know or where to find the answers. Oral communication skills are also needed when you interact with clients, teach, or give lectures, so it's a good opportunity to practice these skills. Some things that you need to know about the oral review. The oral review is considered part of Level 3, so no additional fee is required. Candidates are scheduled for an oral review after passing Level 2 and Level 3 written exams with a 90% or better. For the most current testing schedule, check the ICAPGen website. Oral reviews take place in the Family History Library in Salt Lake City, Utah. For those who test off-site, the oral review will be done via a video chat service. Oral reviews last about 1.5 to 2 hours. The oral review is an open book and open internet, so feel free to bring your 4th generation project, research reference guide, laptop, and something to take notes. Now I'd like to cover the question topics. What will the panel ask questions about? And there are 4 main categories. Your 4th generation project, questions missed or that you were weak on, the written exams, questions related to the region of interest such as unique record sets and methodologies, and then general genealogical principles. This is also a learning opportunity, so candidates may also ask questions concerning the test or the testing process. How to prepare. First, review your 4th generation project. Know what you did and why. Is there anything that you have learned on your journey to accreditation that may be applied to your project? Second, review your research reference guide and other materials that you've studied for the written exams and be familiar with key record sets for your area, important dates, and methodology. Third, study up on the areas that you felt weak in or you did not know for the written exams. And because no one can know everything about their region, know where to quickly find things in your research reference guide or online. And fourth, the big one, come with confidence in your knowledge and your abilities. The oral review process begins with the candidate, an ICAPGen representative, and 2 AG professionals from your region of interest meeting together in a room or over video chat. The candidate is then welcomed and they spend a little time getting to know about your background and a little bit about you. Then they will ask you some questions, which we've already covered the topics that they may ask you about, but just remember that they want to get a feel for the depth of what you know about the topics they present. They may also want to discuss answers that you give and see how much more you know, and it can be a time for you to learn from these professionals as well, so feel free to ask them questions. Then the candidate will be excused from the room and the panel will deliberate amongst themselves about your readiness for the credential. They then bring the candidate back into the room and report to the candidate whether or not they pass. If they feel like you are still weak in an area but very close to passing, they may assign a project for you to complete before they will award the credential. When you have passed, they congratulate you and they have you sign the professional ethics agreement. By signing the professional ethics agreement, an AG professional agrees to conduct themselves in a professional and respectful manner at all times, never engage in illegal or deceptive practices, never cause harm to ICAPGen's reputation. They also agree to certain ethics pertaining to their conduct with clients. They agree to establish and maintain an accounting system to protect and segregate funds from clients until work is performed. They agree to promptly reply to all communications concerning work or conduct as an AG professional. They agree to clearly inform clients of their fee schedule, use of other people completing their work, methods of reporting findings, area of accreditation, and status as an AG. They agree to make regular written reports to their clients. AG professionals agree to hold ICAP Gen harmless from claims, suits, causes of action, losses, damages, liabilities, costs, charges, and expenses arising from or related to their exercise of their rights under this agreement. Any actions performed or neglected to be performed by third parties under their control, and any breach of the agreement. AG professionals agree to allow ICAP Gen to review any material that they produce bearing their marks. This is to ensure that the marks are being used properly. AG professionals are also expected to cooperate in implementing any corrections that may be required. AG professionals agree to maintain confidentiality of the information that ICAP Gen provides, including but not limited to tests, standards, marks, business operations, processes, and strategies. Such material is the sole property of ICAP Gen and must not be disclosed to a third party without written consent. All such materials must be returned upon request. This information only summarizes the key points of the agreement. It does not represent the full agreement, but it does give you an idea of what will be expected of you as an AG. You will be required to sign this agreement when you first become accredited, and then every 5 years when you renew your credential. Accreditation must be renewed every 5 years, so keep learning. It's a good idea to find ways to stay current in your region and keep your skills sharp. Keep doing research. Find blogs, podcasts, webinars, conferences, and how-to books. Do client work, teaching, and lectures. Receiving your accreditation is just the beginning of a fabulous journey. Good luck, and thanks for watching.